The next step which I'll be showing you is how to add members. Now click on the drawer button, go to member management. Here you can see the owner's name and number, basically the number which is registered on CueLab. Click on the plus icon, enter the member's name, mobile number, and you can assign the person as member or admin. So I'll just be entering the basic details. After that, I'll be clicking on submit. If you want to change the name, number, or if you want to change the role assigned to them, just click on edit and you can change the information from here. If you want to delete, you can just click on delete. Here you just have to click again on delete. And yes, it's done. You have to follow the same procedure if you want to add any person as admin. Click on the plus icon, enter the details and just click on admin, click on submit. So John and Siri has been added as member and admin in my organization.